Do you want to know how to register your Dito SIM card? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Epinoid channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to register your Dito SIM card online. To register, open your computer or mobile phone browser. Go to Google's official search engine homepage and then type Dito SIM registration. Then select Dito's official SIM card registration link, https://dito.ph/sim registration. On the official website, input your basic details. Here is the list of valid IDs for your reference. Then upload a picture of your valid ID and a selfie holding your ID card. After uploading, click the Get OTP button. You will receive an OTP from your mobile number. Input the OTP code to proceed. Then check the boxes beside the terms and conditions. Click the Submit button to finish the SIM registration. Congratulations! You have successfully registered your Dito SIM card online. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoid Tutorial TV now.